We are going to learn a new topic today, Turbo Girl.
Yeah, what is it?
It is about angles. Do you know what an angle is?
I know, it's a certain amount of turning. For example, when I open a door, the door is turned and therefore an angle is formed. Right, teacher?
Good example. How about right angles?
When I fold a piece of paper into 4 equal parts, I can make a right angle.
Very good, Turbo Girl. In the following, I'm going to measure angles.
Hooray! I can't wait.
Take out your protractor now, Turbo Girl.
Here it is, but I don't know how to use it.
Don't worry, we measure angles in degrees. This is the symbol for degrees. The numbers in the protractor tell the size of angles that it measures. There are 2 sets of numbers, each starting from each end of the protractor. There's also this important line at the base of the protractor and the center of the line.
There are so many parts to a protractor. Teacher, why is this line so important?
Let's measure the right angle you have made with a piece of paper, and I'll show you why.
Oh, great! Here is the right angle.
First, we place the protractor on the angle. It is important for us to place the protractor on the angle such that this line at the base of the protractor touches one side of the angle. Next, we have to make sure that the corner of angle is aligned with the center of the line.
Okay, what's next?
Now, we are ready to read the degrees of the protractor. Can you read the number which the other side of the angle touches on?
It's 90 degrees, so a right angle is actually 90 degrees.
Correct. Can you measure this angle?
I place the protractor on the angle, baseline of the protractor touching one side of the angle. Next, I make sure that the corner of the angle is aligned with the center of the line. There are 2 different numbers on the protractor, 50 and 130. Which one is the answer?
We start reading the numbers from the side where one side of the angle touches the baseline of the protractor. In this case, it is the right side.
I know, it is 50 degrees.
Very good. Try finding the angle ABC.
I place the protractor on the angle, baseline of the protractor touching line AB. Next, I make sure that point B is aligned with the center of the line. Since line AB touches the baseline of the protractor on the left side, I start counting from the left. Therefore, angle ABC is 120 degrees.
That is very good, Turbo Girl. Try measuring this angle. Find angle A.
The angle is upside down.
Turbo Girl, you don't have to do that. You just need to turn the protractor upside down and measure the angle like this. Place the protractor on the angle, baseline of the protractor touching one side of the angle. Next, make sure that the corner of the angle is aligned with the center of the line. Then count from the left of the protractor.
Angle A is 160 degrees.
We have gone through measuring angles. Are you able to estimate angles now?
No problem.
Alright, now looking at angle X. Is it greater than 90 degrees?
No, it isn't. It's less than 90 degrees. I think it is about 45 degrees.
What made you say so?
Well, in comparison with this right angle, it seems like half of the 90 degrees angle.
Let me measure it and see. It's really about 45 degrees. Good estimation, Turbo Girl. What about angle P? Can you estimate its size?
This angle is greater than 90 degrees, but is less than 180 degrees. I guess angle P is about 120 degrees.
Okay, now measure it with your protractor to see if your estimation is correct.
It's 130 degrees. My estimation is just okay.
That's fine, Turbo Girl. It is difficult to have good estimation at all times. You have at least gotten a pretty close estimate. Can I borrow your watch for a while?
Sure, what are you going to do with it?
Look at this watch. When the minute hand goes from 12 to 3, it makes a quarter turn. Do you know what angle has it turned through?
I know, teacher. A quarter turn makes a right angle, which is 90 degrees.
If the minute hand turns another right angle, what number is it pointing at?
It is pointing at 6.
Good. When two right angles are made, we call it a half turn. A half turn makes two right angles, or 180 degrees. What about three right angles? Where will the minute hand be pointing?
It should be 9.
Correct. When the minute hand turns three right angles, we call it three-quarter turn. A three-quarter turn makes three right angles, or 270 degrees.
Then if the minute hand moves back to 12, has it turned through 4 right angles or 360 degrees?
Clever girl. A complete turn is equal to 4 right angles, or 360 degrees.
Teacher, I also noticed that the more right angles, the bigger the turn.
True, a three-quarter turn is bigger than a half turn. Are you interested in drawing angles on your own, Turbo Girl?
Yes, I would like to try.
Good. Try drawing an angle of 35 degrees.
What should I do first?
You need to draw a straight line first and name it AB.
Okay, I have done it. What do I do next?
Place the protractor on the line AB. Make sure the base line on the protractor is in line with AB. You may match point A or point B to the center point of the protractor.
I choose point B.
Now start counting until you reach 35 and put a cross there.
10, 20, 30, 35 degrees. I put a cross here and label it as C.
Good. Now draw a straight line joining C to B.
That is all. I have done it.
Yes, but label the angle as 35 degrees. Now, can you draw this angle M and O?
Let me try. First, I draw a line MN. Next, I put the protractor on the angle with its baseline on line MN and the center at point N. Then, I start counting from point N until I reach 140 degrees on the protractor. I then mark the point with a cross and label it as O. I draw a straight line to join N and O. Finally, I label the angle 140 degrees.
Well done, Turbo Girl.
Wow, today's lesson is fun. I have learned that a quarter turn is 90 degrees, half a turn is 180 degrees, three-quarter turn is 270 degrees, and that a complete turn is 360 degrees.
What else have you learned?
I need to use a protractor to measure and draw an angle accurately.
Well said, Turbo Girl. See you at the next lesson.